India, the second largest populated country in the world. A potent symbol of hope, diversity, and inclusion. But more than hope, our future needs action so that we can bring the non-privileged segment of population to mainstream and provide them enablers to step forward. It's only when we dare to go lengths for them we can achieve the unfulfilled potential. Be it winning goals at the Olympics or creating safe learning spaces for our future generations, bridging the gap between these two extremities. For a country that is India, as well as Bharat, should be the most important aim. And it needs a multi-pronged approach, an inclusive growth plan, to serve communities and people at risk, with sustainable interventions that can help transform lives. This has been our guiding principle at SBI General for all the corporate social responsibility acts and endeavors. Be it sustainability and livelihood, road safety, mental health, sanitation, education, sports, or skilling. We are reaching to the grassroots level, and people who need our help, starting from small towns and villages. How can we develop villages and strengthen their spirits without eroding their unique identities? SBI General Insurance, through SBI Foundation's flagship Gram Seva program, is trying to solve this conundrum. While working towards building self-reliant villages, which would continue to grow sustainably, ensuring that the idea of development stays inclusive in its nature and impact. The idea of development also means having timely access to optimal care and affordable treatment. That's where our association with the Indian Head Injury Foundation is working, empowering patients and their families, spreading awareness, and expanding its reach to cover more and more cases with every day out. Through Sangopita, a shelter for care, SBI General is supporting persons with special needs and making provision for speech therapy, physiotherapy, and occupational skills training, along with covering the operational and medical expenses. We are witnessing remarkable stories of growth and development, which may seem small in our world, but is a giant leap in the lives of those impacted by mental health conditions. Nearly 23 million girl students in India drop out of school when they start menstruating. What can we do to address an issue this big? SBI General decided to start small and build open a novel idea along with Learning Space Foundation. We constructed safe spaces for girl students in disadvantaged rural schools in select remote locations. We also held workshops for girls on sanitation and hygiene, with cooperation and coordination between different stakeholders. A small village called Rajur in Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra hosts a school run by Satyaniketan to educate children from a number of smaller villages around. Being the only one in that area, the students, especially girls coming from other villages, used to walk almost 3 kilometers every day to pursue education, often leading to dropouts and lesser attendance. SBI General supported Satyaniketan to build a hostel for tribal girl students with female guards and caretakers, while also providing safe and healthy meals for students. India loves sports. However, a country of more than 1.2 billion has been historically struggling for goals at Olympics owing to the lack of world class. To make our aspirations meet reality, Abhinav Bindra Foundation is working to provide world-class training to Indian athletes. SBI General supports the future Olympians via Abhinav Bindra Foundation's STEAM Scholarship Program, under which upcoming Indian athletes and para-athletes get the best possible support in terms of high-performance training. On similar lines, we extend our support to JSW Foundation, where we are maximizing social impact by spreading and promoting the message of sports for all and bringing participation in regional, state, national, and international competitions. Creating a skilled workforce is one of the most important pillars towards nation building. Our support for the Youth for Unity and Voluntary Action or Yuva program includes skilling of marginalized and physically challenged women through skill development programs in tailoring and beautician courses, and through Youth for Jobs Foundation's online and residential training centers. We have supported employability skills training of youth with disabilities. As the whole world braced itself for a pandemic in the year 2020, we reached out to the tribals, semi-literate and financially backward population, including women, children, and the elderly through Search program in Gadchiroli, Maharashtra, especially for those suffering from COVID-19. SBI General is one of the first corporates in India to extend vaccination support to the community, especially the unprivileged population in remote locations of Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. We are collaborating with private hospitals to provide beneficiaries with 2 shots of free vaccinations. With every passing day, we are trying to cover more people at risk in Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh so that further spread of coronavirus is restrained. The outreach continued for cancer patients in Hyderabad as well. With Grace Cancer Foundation, we kept on improving emergency care and facilitated timely help. We also funded AWWA for a factory-modified diesel school bus meant for children with special needs, and supported old age homes run by SHEOWS in Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. At the same time, providing support to BMVSS, ensuring mobility and dignity for the physically challenged. And that's how we are building the India of our dreams, by collaborating, funding, and helping people and organizations, and posing faith in their vision and capabilities. SBI General Insurance, Suraksha और भरोसा दोनों.